Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you just installed the GCash app and you're getting a message like device developer options deducted, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix it quickly. Just follow the steps in this video and your issue will be gone in no time. So guys, this error usually comes up when developer options are turned on in your phone. People often enable them to connect their phone to a computer or use USB debugging, but the GCash app sees it as a security issue. So you'll need to turn developer options off. Here's how to do it. Go to your phone settings. In the search bar, type developer options. Tap on it when it shows up. Turn off the toggle that says use developer options. Now go back to the GCash app and check. The error message should be gone now. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.